What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Seaport Mike's Auto with another video. Really, this gonna be like an entertainment video. It's not a how-to, but as you can see in front of me with the camera on, you already know what kind of video this about. And I'm gonna get some footage as possible, most footage as possible. But I'm gonna be doing a motor swap on a 2015 Dodge Journey. It's a 2.4 liter engine. Customer complained that the engine when it started was shaking, and then comes to find out it was a blown head gasket. So I told him I might as well just swap out the engine with a good running used one. So yeah, that's what the video is about. So like I said, it's gonna be an entertainment purpose only, not a how-to, but it's gonna be tips and tricks how to pull this engine, and it will help you a lot. So with that being said, let's get to it. And that's the truck. Also, it's a Dodge Journey. So what I done so far, I got the reservoir jug out of the way because I like a lot of room as possible. The reservoir jug is right here. This breathing tube for the dock work, I got that off. The only thing I did was pry it off with one of these little special kind of tools, a little pick tool. And I'm just working on getting everything off this engine, electrical connections and everything to the coil packs. Simply pull that tab back like with a pick or a screwdriver and squeeze down and pull it right out. Now we're getting these coil packs off. I believe it's that's a T30. Got them loosened, so y'all can just take these out. Fuel line, squeeze, pinch these two tabs, and the fuel line will come right out, like so. You can move that to the side. Same thing with this little clip here, just pry that up and that'll come out with this harness. All this is a whole harness connected to this engine. And what else? Let's see. This brake booster hose. You gotta have one of these to pull that off because it's gonna be tight. It's in a tight spot. And I can hook it from the back and I can pry it forward and then it'll come right off. It's a good tool to have. But remember, first thing first, we got to get this battery out from right here. Chrysler put it in a fender well, so you're gonna have to remove all these tabs and these cover and get this cover off, this inner fender cover off, and the battery will be exposed right here, and you can see it through there. If y'all can't really see it up there. So I'm gonna sit y'all right here. We're gonna get these coil packs off. Pull them right up. Might have to twist a little bit and move it. Come right out, like so. Okay, So they got little tabs right here. Only thing you have to do is like pull up and that'll release out of this mounting hole bracket. Now we're gonna get these fuel injection connections on. You should be able to pull right up. Get you a little, you know, like I say, like a pry bar or a screwdriver or something, and pull these red tabs up. I don't know why it's so hard coming out. I'm gonna hold the camera right quick. I'm gonna pause it right quick and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. It was very difficult getting off. That's why I had to pause the video. So basically what I did was got a pick angle look like this, and I grab up underneath it and pull straight up hard as you can, and you'll hear a pop noise and it'll come right up with no problem. So let's go on and finish getting these wire harnesses off. Simply push this little tab all the way in and pull straight up like so. And once again, push it all the way down and then pull right up. It'll come right out. And follow the harness all the way around, all the way to the engine. Pull it, squeeze this tab. And this one, the solenoid tabs, that's gonna be the hardest ones to come off. So when you pull that, put it like a screwdriver or something behind that to pry that a little bit, and that'll come right out. So following this wire harness all the way around, I'm gonna get you a pick tool and pull right up out of the mounting hole for this harness, and it'll come right out. Same with this harness back here on this solenoid valve. It's a little tab, same as the ejectors. Push that tab and pull out, but it don't have no red connection safety tabs on it. It just got a regular connection. So see, squeeze that and then pull right out of this solenoid right here valve, and the harness comes straight out. And as you can see, it's coming out all the way out. Same thing with these. You got little tabs right here. You can just pry them up with this little pick tool, Dremel tool, whatever it calls. Just pry right up and they come out like so. So you get somewhere, right? So now what we can do is, let's see what else next. This map sensor, y'all can see it down right here. Pull that, and it's a little tab. You push that and pull it right up, and that'll release the tab on the map sensor. So now we're gonna go in and get this box out of here. 2 tabs